1, 2, hey, hey. Prova, prova. 1, 2, 3, hey, hey, sa. Prova, prova, prova.
So I just came here to put my hand in this mouth thing that apparently bites your fingers off if you're a liar. But apparently there's some sort of race for the cure coming out, and this place is just packed. It's bloody hot.
Hey, hey. 1, 2, 3.
I'm like sweating my ass off here.
Prova, prova. 1, 2, 3, hey,
But
hey.
I don't know, I can't really participate because I can't really run. I could hike and scramble, climb, but I can't run. Race for the cure, I'm guessing this is something about cancer, and everybody's wearing pink, so possibly ovarian or breast cancer, something related to female cancers. This place is packed. I still have to find, I don't know what time the race starts, but I was just hoping to find a way to put my hand in this mouth thing. I gotta cross the road somehow. Apparently I'm only 40 meters away, but let's see if we can find this damn place. Woo!